Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at external sound cards, USB sound cards. This is the EPOS Sennheiser GSX 300 gaming series. This is an external sound card that's going to take your audio to the next level. Let's check it out. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at the GSX 300 and we're going to see how this is going to transform our audio experience. We're going to combine this with the Sennheiser GSP 600 gaming series headset. Now what this is going to do for us is it's going to give us an audio experience that maybe your current laptop isn't capable of doing. So for example, in this video, we're going to actually use a Surface Go. A Surface Go, which we know is not going to be a high-performing laptop, or for that matter, a tablet, and we're going to see how the audio experience improves using this external sound card with this gaming headset. So let's get right to it. Now, as we take a look at some of the technical specs here, you'll notice that the sample rate of this unit is 96 kilohertz, bit depth of 24 bit, and you have some accessories. You have a USB cable. The cool thing about this is that this entire unit is powered using USB, so you don't have an external power cord that you need here. It's available in two colors, so you can see here that we have the snow white version, and then we have this one that's in black, or kind of like a gunmetal black. It's going to basically upgrade the audio coming from any device that is connected to. Now, you may have an older PC that you're not getting the best gaming experience, the best audio experience, especially with some of the audio changes that are happening. Or you may have a laptop that just can't perform to the same level. So what this is going to do is it's going to give you not only improved audio experience, but it's also going to improve even, your mic. As you're speaking through the mic, it's also going to improve that as well. So you're looking at high definition audio, 7.1 surround, and then also really easy to controls when it comes to adjusting volume and your settings. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now this unit is super small, so you can see how large it is as it's sitting in the palm of my hand. As we take a look at the back, really simple interface. Micro USB, you have your headphone jack as well as your mic jack here. On the back, you have these rubberized feet that are going to keep it nice in place. Here you have the little dial, and while it does not click, it does have a satisfying click, silent click as you're moving, so you feel the stops every single time as you're moving around. And then you have a pretty simple button that you just depress. So really simple interface, and as you can see, it's not going to take up a lot of space, and it's available in two colors. Now once you install the Sennheiser Gaming Series software on your laptop, tablet, or desktop, you really open up a whole world of opportunities when it comes to audio enhancements. So as we take a look at it right here for a second, you basically have the ability to adjust your volume, and you can notice how as I'm moving this dial here, it's immediately changing in real time. So there's no lag whatsoever as I'm controlling the volume on my tablet. You also then have the ability to have different playback modes. So we're going to go into 7.1. You have the ability to adjust reverb, make any of these adjustments here to fit your listening preference. And then from an audio perspective, if you have a headset that may not be the clearest headset or may not have the best audio quality, what you could do is enhance that by having a warm setting or a clear setting, so you can modify that as well. You also then have different mic options here where you can adjust the gain, the noise gate, and again, just create the type of experience that you'd like to have. So a lot of flexibility here when using this, and this is really the power of having an external sound card. Now the thing here is, look how tiny this is. Again, the fact that it's so small, and the fact that really all it requires is that USB connection to your laptop, tablet, or desktop, and you're set to go. So let's see how things sound. Now next we're going to test the mic quality and how it gets improved by using the sound card. So we're going to go through the warm setting, and then we're going to go through the clear setting just to see how this sounds. Let's go ahead and switch from off to warm. This is the warm setting. So this is a test, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is the warm setting. We're going to go ahead and switch to clear. This is a test, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is the clear setting. This is a test, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Now next we're going to do an audio test. We're going to listen to 2 or 3 tracks and just listen to bass, mids, and highs, see how they're reproduced using this headset. We're also going to do a 7.1 test so you can see how it works as well. So let's get right to it. You got the motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. Now, the GSX 300 is a great addition to any laptop or desktop that you currently have. But if you're interested in building a new PC or you'd like to check out new audio products, check out this playlist.